A homeless woman?
Could I date a homeless woman? I mean, it depends. Yeah, I date a homeless woman. Why not? Yeah. Homeless and like, what are you trying to say? Homeless? Like not having a home? Yeah.
Cardboard box homeless woman.
Cardboard box homeless person. I don't know. Maybe. I feel like, listen, I'll be honest. If you meet somebody, right, and you feel a way towards them, why not date them? Maybe you can make them better.
You gonna save her?
Yeah, I'm gonna save her, definitely.
What did J. Cole say? You can't save. She don't want to be. You gonna save a homeless girl?
Yeah, why not?
So you only to do. You gonna save a homeless?
Where that arrogance is coming from you.